The riskiest part of a system migration isn't cutover weekend. It happens on day one, when teams realize they don't actually know what they run. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to use AI to process raw architectural notes into a color-coded dependency heat map and a strict, actionable modernization brief. To start, you will need 2 things: a simple CSV inventory of your current systems and any architecture decision records, or ADRs, your team has on hand. Before we load any of this into an AI tool, we have to sanitize the data. That means explicitly pseudonymizing the records, stripping out all live connection strings, real customer IDs, and personally identifiable information. By centralizing these clean documents, we eliminate the paralyzing manual discovery phase. Your engineers can focus entirely on architectural strategy, rather than forensic investigation. Step 1 is creating our working environment. Open up Notebook LM and create a new dedicated workspace specifically for this legacy audit. Take your sanitized CSV and Markdown files and drag them directly into the source panel. This creates the AI's foundational knowledge base. Check the source list to verify the ingestion is complete. You want to make sure the AI has fully indexed every document before we start asking questions. The AI is now primed to look for specific legacy markers within your raw inventory. It will flag outdated technologies like Oracle 10G or an on-prem Hadoop cluster. This scoped ingestion is a critical boundary. By grounding the AI only on your provided documentation, it acts strictly as an analytical tool. We prevent it from hallucinating general advice, and we ensure it is not treated as an automated rewrite button. Now, let's execute our first analytical prompt. Ask the AI to review the uploaded inventory and calculate a baseline technical debt score for the estate. This split-screen graphic illustrates the logic the AI is applying. It identifies outdated languages and frameworks from your inventory, like Python 2.7 or AngularJS on the left, and actively maps them to modern enterprise targets, like Python 3.12 and React on the right. It scans through your uploads, finds the architectural mismatches, and processes those unstructured notes into a cohesive list. The expected output is a clear, itemized readout of your tech stack that explicitly highlights the most severe legacy bottlenecks. Quantifying technical debt this way takes subjective engineering complaints and turns them into objective, data-backed evidence. This is exactly what you need to secure migration budgets from leadership. To build a migration plan, we use the industry standard 6Rs framework, shown here. Every system will be categorized into retire, retain, rehost, replatform, refactor, or rebuild. Prompt the AI to categorize every system from your inventory into these 6 paths, formatting the output as a markdown table. Watch how it parses complexity. It sorts a physical server move into rehost, while identifying a monolithic SOAP API as refactor. Cautionary tone. This step requires a human in the loop. Manually review the AI's categorization to correct any hallucinations or missing business context. Once verified, issue your final prompt for a component heat map summarizing migration effort. The resulting color coding tells you exactly where to focus. Large, bright red clusters highlight high-effort areas requiring architectural shifts, while small green nodes represent low-effort quick wins. Visualizing the effort dictates your entire project sequence. You reduce the risk of a catastrophic cutover weekend by proving exactly which pieces can be safely moved independently. To extract the final value from this process, export the AI-generated text into a master markdown document. This becomes your official modernization brief. Look back at your heat map to identify your primary high-effort target. Usually, this is the largest monolithic application in your stack. This diagram shows our logical next step. We will use the Strangler Pattern to carefully extract the first microservice from the outer edges of that legacy monolith, leaving the core intact so the rest of the system does not break. Actual code modernization succeeds only when built upon this foundation, an audited, scored, and mapped tech estate. Download the prompt templates from the description below to begin your own audit.